solve the equations using the square root property. So let me recall the square root property. Okay, that is when we have x square equals, this is some positive number, and we want to solve for x. That means we want to get x by itself, then take a square root both sides, then x will be plus or minus square root of a. So plus minus. In fact, plus minus is coming from the left side, but we just write in the right side. And by the way, square root of 4 is 2. Okay, it's never true. Square root of 4 is not plus minus 2. That's not true. Okay, but we are using this square root property. When we have x squared equals some positive number, then x will be plus or minus square root of whatever that number is. So in part A, so we got 2x squared minus 98 equals 0. So we need to get x squared by itself first, then x by itself. Okay, so 2x squared minus 98 equals 0. Add 98 both sides. Okay, if we do that, then we get 2x squared equals 98. Now divide by 2. So x squared equals divide by 2, 49. Now we use the square root property. That means x equals plus minus square root of 49. So x equals plus or minus 7. Okay, that's the answer. So we got two answers, x equals 7 and minus 7. So let's do the same thing for part B. So we got 3x minus 5 squared equals 81. Okay, we got something is square. Okay, this is x squared equals a. It can be anything. Some junk is square equals a means that junk is in fact plus minus square root of a, and we already have that situation here. Okay, in the left side we already have some, let's say some junk is square, something is square equals 81 means that using the square root property 3x minus 5 equals plus or minus square root of 81. That is 3x minus 5 equals plus or minus square root of 81 is 9. Okay, fortunately 81 is a perfectly square number, so we get 9. We are not done. We need to solve, means we need to get x by itself. So plus or minus, there are two values, so we need to do two things. We will get two answers. Here is minus 5, so let's add 5 both sides. Plus minus 9, we are adding 5 plus 5. So plus 5 plus 5. Okay, let's work on this one. So because we have two numbers, plus 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 14. Minus 9 plus 5, that's what is that? Minus 9 plus 5, minus 4. Okay, we got two numbers. Then finally we need, these are OR by the way, 14 or negative 4. There are two answers, divided by 3. So x equals, divide both, 14 over 3 or negative 4 over 3. And these are improper numbers, fractions, but this is good enough. Final.